have been wondering, like the 11 people that watched that video may be wondering where this project went. Well, basically I saw that my O-ring seals would not work and gave up. Oh, and this is a future video. So I'm going to take a block of aluminum and mill out some apex seals. Alright, that's all cleaned. Ooh, that's not good. There's a big gap in that. I'm going to turn my light on so you can actually see. Look, you see that big gap right there? That's bad. So as you can see, everything is crystal clean and there are no gaps. Alright, boom. It's clamped in place. You can see on some parallels. I'm going to get to mill. Alright, I'm going to be machining with this end mill. Quite small, you can see. Very exquisite end mill. So you get this clamped. You gotta put a wrench up there, a wrench up here. Of course I can't do that because that takes 2 hands. Now I can finally get to the machining. And I can't forget safety protection. Alright, I've got glasses on now. And let me just turn this guy on. Oh. Really? Wait, what the fuck? I should fix it. There's a really funny clicking sound coming from it. I don't know if you can hear it. I'm gonna ignore that. I'm gonna turn that off for now. Put this camera. Just plop it on the vise here. That's a pretty good view until it gets knocked off. As you can see, it's all lined up for the first cut. What the hell are you hitting? The parallels, really? Alright, let's just move those forward. Move that down like right there. Some cutting fluid. And boom, ready to cut. Alright, boom. Now I'm gonna mark that, which I said, X, okay. I'm gonna mark that as 0. Boom. Lock this axis. And then unlock this one. Is that the right way? No. Oh, actually, I forgot to mark that axis. Yep. Oh my god, what the hell is under my middle? I just touched the bottom of my middle. Look at my hands. Oh, I won't mark the wrong axis, goddamn. Yeah, let's just go over that again. Doesn't look like I changed it too much. Okay, now I can mark that as 0 as well. Alright, turn the 0 on here. Center it for real. It keeps jumping to point 30. Boom. Now I can finally start machining. This way. Alright, that's kind of ahead of the markings. I hope my stupid ass didn't put that to less than 20. Alright, no, it's just on 21. I'm just gonna check just to be sure. Because if it's less than 20, my entire thing is fucked. Yeah, alright, we're good. Then, unlock it, move it a bit lower, start cutting again. How should this work? I'm just trying to use my own personally. Okay, that's what I saw. Please, help me see that. Okay. Oh, I think that's of course. Cool. Semifinals. She's only got less. Nice. Alright, so that machining is done, and it only took 17 minutes. Exactly. You can see it's raining outside. You can see it's all cut out. So now I'm just going to do a pass like this to actually cut the part out because I'm way too lazy to hacksaw it. So I'm going to go flip it over. Alright, boom. Part's clamped in. Since I'm only cutting off 1.5 mils, I'll just do this in one big pass. There's our end mill coming into view. It looks like I'm gonna be knocked off by that thing. I have to move it a bit. Yes, I am eyeballing it. I mean, it's a 3D printed rotary engine. Who cares if I'm gonna eyeball it? I'm basically just using this because it's... Oh, no, I can't do it. No, I can't. Okay. Yeah, anyways, I can't... The only reason I'm using this is just because it's faster than a hacksaw, and I guess it looks more squared. And it's also really satisfying watching metal disintegrate by some magical force called an end mill. Very soothing. Probably won't even speed this section up because it's only like what, 5 minutes to... No, actually not even 5 minutes. We're already halfway through and it's only 2 minutes 10 seconds. Probably only like 2 minutes 30 seconds to mill this out. Oh crap. I saw it drop a little, but it didn't come out. Here you go. Here's the Apex seal. I'm going to go ahead and file it so that it doesn't look like that, which you can't see, thankfully. Alright, here it is. And I've gone ahead and left it just a bit too big. Oh, shit. I've gone ahead and left it a bit too big, as you can see, and I'll just kind of file that down by hand. I'll go ahead and make 3 more of these. But for now, this is the end of the video. Goodbye.